how to adjust the DeWALT staple gun. Now if you have the heavy duty one like this, there is no adjustment on it, and it's only the force what actually comes with the staple gun itself. However, if you have the DeWALT 5-in-1, you'll have a bar here and a bar here at the front. Now if you put it to the top, there will be a diagram along this section here. You push this to the top, that'll be heavy duty, and you push this bar at the back forward to the plus, that'll be the most power you can give your DeWALT staple gun. However, if you're like me and you have the heavy duty DeWALT staple gun, there's no adjustment on this one, only the 5-in-1. So hopefully that helps you out. I know it can't be adjusted on this, however if you have the 5-in-1, push this to the front and push this up here at the front and you'll have more power. So hopefully that video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.